All right. Challenge number 5 being revealed to you now. And I hope you're pumped and excited and ready for it because I have a doozy for you. So, this problem is going to probably be on the tougher side for some of you, but I want you to really think and push and challenge yourself on how you'll go about solving this. And maybe you'll solve it the same way Mr. Evans does. Maybe you'll solve it differently. But either way, let's jump right into it. So I'm glad you're with me. Let's be mathematicians. Let's use that brain of ours. Here's the problem. Miss Garcia watches 16 students cycle home after school. She counts 38 wheels. Some of the students are on bicycles, and the rest are on tricycles. How many students are on bicycles? All right, let's go ahead and tackle this one. If you need to pause it, go ahead and do so at this time. But Mr. Evans, I'm going to dive straight on into it. I know that this problem needs to obviously rewrite the statement, Mr. Evans. Don't skip your steps now. How many students are on bicycles? There are blank students on bicycles. And I kind of like that I got the little pictures over there off to the side to kind of help me be mindful of the wheels I'm dealing with. And so in this case, we are not only dealing with bicycles, but we're also dealing with tricycles. And I'm just going to put bi up top, tri down here, and then I'm going to connect them to this whole concept of sickles. I like to kind of play with my numbers like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of make my units kind of look like they're equal, but they're really not equal. I just kind of want them to follow each other. And one thing I know here with the bicycle is that for the first kid, that's 2 wheels. And for the first kid that's probably on a tricycle, that's 3 wheels. And if I think about conjoining those two kids together, how many wheels is that towards my overall goal of 38 wheels? That's 5 wheels total. If I do another set of bicycle with 2 and I do another set of tricycle with 3 wheels, that's just simply 5 again. And now I'm looking at 10, so I'm going to kind of keep growing that until I get close to my target number. Well, I know what 5 groups of 3 is. That's 15. And then some of you are looking at this strategy now and going, man, I could have got to that so much quicker if I thought about it like that. Well, this is kind of how Mr. Evans thinks. 5, I know what 4 groups of 5 is. That's 20. Have I hit my 38 mark yet? No, I haven't. But to save us time, I am not going to continue to do this. I'm just going to simply jump ahead and keep going in my groups of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now, when I hit this 35 mark is when things get interesting. So it's important I count up how many bicycles, how many tricycles do I have at this point? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I can keep taking this all the way up to 38, but I have to remember what I'm solving here. I'm solving to find out how many bicycles there are. I know if I add one more tricycle, that's going to give me 38. So how many tricycles are there? Well, yeah, there's 8, but I'm answering to find out how many bicycles, and I just concluded here that there are 7. So my answer is 7. So I'd be curious to see how you kind of got to yours. You probably went about it a different way. You probably drew out a different method, and maybe you're going, well, Mr. Evans, there's more than one answer. Well, I'd be curious to know some of your other answers. Feel free to leave that in the comments, and I'd be happy to work those problems out and kind of see how you kind of got there. But all in all, my goal is to make things simple, and this was the simplest method to get to my target number. Thank you. That was round 5. See you for round 6.